So I want to show you a video on how to solve two-step equations. So if you're still missing that homework, you can come back and watch this video. The first equation we're actually going to solve is negative 3y plus 12 is equal to negative 48. This is question 10 on the 8.2 independent practice. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a line down your equation, and you break it up into a left side and a right side. So the side I'm going to look at is the left side because it has the y. The y we're trying to isolate. We're trying to get it alone. So the first thing I need to do is look at the number that's further away from the y. Well, that's 12. 12 is being added. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So you're going to subtract 12 from both sides. Well, 12 minus 12 cancels out. That's exactly what we need to do. We don't need to make this 24. We need to get this to 0 to cancel it out. Negative 48 minus 12 is negative 60. Okay, think like money. The more that you spend, the more debt you become. So the line indicates where my equal sign goes. So whatever left on my left side, I bring down. So I have a negative 3y. So now the number I'm looking at is a negative 3 because it's still next to the y. Well, since it's just standing next to the y, that means it's being multiplied. Well, the opposite operation of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by negative 3 to both sides. Well, negative 3 divided by negative 3 cancels out to a 1. So the y comes down with my equal sign, and negative 60 divided by negative 3 is a positive 20. All right, that's one way how to do an equation. This is another type of an equation, one with a division. So again, it's the same idea. You draw a line down your equal sign. I have a left side and a right side. Again, I'm going to look at my left side because it has my variable, my n, and the number that's further away from my n is 24. Okay, well, that's a positive 24. The way I get positive 24, get rid of positive 24, is by subtract 24 from both sides. So I subtract it from the left side, and I subtract it from the right side. So this cancels out again. My equal sign goes on my line. I bring down what I have left over from the left side, n divided by 4. Well, 10 minus 24, I'm taking away more than I have, becomes a negative 14. So now I go back to my left side and I look at my side. Well, I still have a 4. That 4 is being divided. This line right here means being divided. So the opposite of that is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply 4 to both sides. I put a 1 over here just to make it look like fractions, and so that way you can know to cross off the 4's. They cancel out, leaving you an n, bring down your equal sign, and negative 14 times 4 is negative 56. All right, hopefully this will help you finish your 8.2 independent practice homework. Thank you.